Hello, my name is Alexey. In previous video tutorial, we created responsive multi-language online store from scratch and uploaded to the hosting. In my blog, there are free video lessons about different objects for website X5. In this video tutorial, we will look at new version of program. The biggest change is new portfolio object. This object allows you to create a grid of elements with image, title, description and links. For navigation, you can use this menu, this search, or you can order these elements. Now, this is a standard object. You can find it here. Let's see the options. Here we can create new categories and new cards. When you create card, you can set title, image, description, data, and 2 buttons. You can set any action for those buttons. You can copy and paste cards. You can change their order, for example, like this. Also, you can create a card just with one title, but in this case you will see object like this: my work, and no image, no description, no data, and so on. Also, we have card settings. We can change their style, for example, background color. We can change opacity. We can change fonts, text color, we can change description. This is the description. Also, we can change buttons and the background. Let's see our changes. There are other options for filters. We can disable category bar, disable all categories button. Also, we can switch off search and sorting. Also, there are some style options, for example, text color, border, and so on. After some changes, you can see it on the site. In new version of program, now you can use Google Analytics 4. Just select it here and insert your tracking ID. Another thing, you can use video from Vimeo and YouTube on entry page. Just pick video and insert your link. To simplify page creation, developers have added an object search. You can use it here, for example, and you can search object much more quicker. If you have online store and use PayPal, now you can offer your customers payment in installments. Just go here, select PayPal, and activate this option. It currently works in the following countries: United Kingdom, France, Germany, USA and Australia. In the next video we will talk about other useful objects and settings that will help you to work with the program. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comments. I will try to answer as quick as possible. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel.